Michelle here, back from Financial Hair and Faith. Welcome to my channel for those of you who are new, and welcome back to those of you who are not. For the sake of time, I've already started out this hairstyle, and from the title of the video, I will be sharing with you how I do my vertical buns. Again, for the sake of time, I've sort of started it out already, but all I did was put a ponytail in the top. So my ponytail is here in the top. This is how I place it. And for this style of buns, I like to use seamless elastic bands. I will pin this one before I pin the back. I know some people wait to pin their buns after they've actually placed them, but I find that I like to do it this way better because I can see the placement better. So what I'll do is I'll split it in two for starters. So I'll split this in two. And again, like every other bun, they never come out looking the same. And that's fine because, you know, versatility. I'll take it and I'll spin the ends and I'll bring it underneath this one and I will wrap it around and then pin it in place. Usually one bobby pin is enough for the first wrap. Then this one on top, I'll take it, spin it together, and I will wrap it around this way in the opposite direction. And again, you have to play with your placement sometimes because, you know, to get the desired look. And this one, sometimes I have to play with it to get it where I want it. For now, I'm going to leave it like that because I like that it looks really high. So then now here's where the magic happens. The back bun needs to get as close as possible to the top bun. All of this up, and then I'm going to use this brush to help me kind of like smooth things out a little bit. Never working the brush to the ends of my hair because my hair being very fine, I do not want to cause breakage. So I just smooth the bottom part. I'm getting this as close as possible to this bun here, and I'm going to secure it with an elastic band, seamless. So how many of y'all always like use your things, you like hold it in your teeth? I just feel like it's easier that way. So put this, okay, so ponytail's in place. It's pretty close. And then what I'm going to do is a similar process, but I'm not going to split because I don't have as much hair in the back. I don't really need to split that one. All I need to do is take it and sort of fold it here. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to like fold the flap on each side and pin those. Double buns. This can be moved back. Again, you know, you play with your placement how you want it. Or you could have them, you know, like this. I kind of like this. I like this big, you know, statement piece right here on the top of my head. Now let's say for the sake of wanting to put it closer, and I don't want to take this down, I'm like, I really want it closer. What I can do then, because I've only used 2 pins to pin this, I'll just take those pins out. I want it to be closer to the bun in the back. So what we'll do, oh, I got a hangnail. What's up with that? We want the front one to be closer to the back. So then what we'll do is I'm going to do the same thing. The only thing is I'm going to take it way back. Way back. close to this bun in the back. Okay. And I'm going to wrap this one. Closer now. They're definitely closer. So again, then you play with how you want this to look back here, pulling it closer back if you want, and if necessary you can adjust by adding more pins, but this looks good too. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. I will catch you in the next one. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas.